All right, guys, here it is, the new BMW M4 in gorgeous Toronto red. We've gone ahead and given the legendary touch to this car, detailing it inside and out, machine polishing the paint to bring out incredible gloss and clarity, and then we went ahead and protected the paint from the full front end in XPEL Ultimate Plus Paint Protection film to stop rock chips, scratches in the paint, and any kind of road debris it might pick up both on the road and on the track. And then we've protected it further with XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating on the film, on the paint, on the glass, and on the wheels. That's gonna make it easier to clean and stay cleaner longer. And the owner of this car is never gonna need to wax again. All right, guys, let us know what you think. Check out the video, and let's transform your car into its best version. Have a great day.